Running a manufacturing business is no easy task. Orders pile up, machines break down. Managing production efficiently is crucial for staying competitive in today's market. Many small and medium manufacturers still rely on manual processes, whiteboards, or disconnected systems. The result? Delays, errors, and wasted resources. Not to mention the difficulty in keeping up with increasing customer demands and compliance regulations. This is where a manufacturing execution system, or MES, comes in. It acts as the central brain of your production floor, connecting machines, people, and processes in real time. With MES, manufacturers gain greater visibility and control over their entire operation. MES collects data from your shop floor and translates it into useful insights. It helps in real-time production tracking, know exactly what's happening at every stage. Work order scheduling, no more guesswork, just optimized planning. Quality control, detect defects before they become costly mistakes. Inventory management, prevent stockouts and overstocking. Machine performance monitoring, reduce unexpected downtime and maintenance costs. Let's take an example. Imagine Woodworks Limited, a furniture manufacturer. Before MES, they had delays due to missing parts and machine breakdowns. Orders were late. Their manual tracking methods made it impossible to identify production bottlenecks in real time. After implementing MES, they could get real-time stock updates, ensuring they never run out of raw materials. Optimize worker schedules, increasing productivity by 20%. Reduce lead times, allowing them to fulfill more orders on time. Improve quality control, minimizing rework and waste. Faster production and lower cost. By implementing MES, businesses can scale more efficiently, reduce human error, and meet industry compliance standards with ease.